Himalayan pink salt for skin. As the name says, Himalayan pink salt comes from the Himalayan Mountains. It is unrefined salt that contains zinc, sulfur, chromium, iodine, and 80 more minerals and elements. The benefits of Himalayan pink salt for skin. It gently exfoliates the skin and cleans the pores by drawing out impurities. It tones the skin, making it firmer and looking more youthful. It regulates sebum production and helps to get rid of acne. How to use it? Himalayan pink salt face mask. This mask is a good way to detox your skin. Take a small glass bowl and mix in it the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of fine-grained Himalayan pink salt, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar. Combine the ingredients well to get a mixture with a slightly gritty texture. Using clean fingers, apply the mask gently on your dry and clean face. Avoid the area around your eyes. Wait for 5-7 minutes, then rinse off with tepid water. Finish with toning and moisturizing your face. Toning. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt to a 4 ounces spray bottle, then pour 1/2 cup of water in it. Use it to spray on your face. After that, you can use 3-4 drops of a suitable skincare oil to moisturize the skin. This mask can be used twice a week,